This Dell SE2422H monitor is a Dell entry-level monitor. It only has a HDMI port and a VGA port. There are no speakers, no USB expansion port, and the stand only tilts and doesn't swivel or rotate. The installation and disassembly of the monitor stand is pretty straightforward, which I'll show you in detail a little later. The good thing about this Dell SE2422H monitor is that it is very small and compact, only 24 inches, and it can fit in any small corner or any small desk. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Knowing this monitor stand only tilts, what I did was I bought a budget monitor arm from Amazon to mount this monitor, so I get to do all the adjustments. Yes, this monitor can be mounted on a 100 by 100 VESA mount, and it comes with the VESA mount screws included. This monitor becomes very versatile after it's on a monitor arm. Because of its lightweight and compact nature, it's pretty easy to do all the adjustments. It's so light, I can easily hold it with one hand, like holding a laptop. It's also a very good portrait monitor because of its size. Dell has the S-Series monitor and the SE-Series monitor. The SE-Series is the basic entry-level budget-friendly monitors. So on the left is my SE2422H 24-inch monitor, and on the right is my Dell S-2721H 27-inch monitor. Let's compare the bezel of the SE-Series and the S-Series Dell monitors. Yes, the S-Series has thinner bezel, but not by a lot. And the thin bezel is only on 3 edges. I actually like the bezel of the SE entry series more, because the thickness of the bezel is consistent on all 4 of the sides of the monitor. The reason why I chose this SE2422H monitor is because of my use case. I wanted a compact monitor where different people in my family can bring their laptops to use on this desk. HDMI is the common interface on all of our laptops, and I can confirm we can run Samsung DeX on this monitor too if we connect our phone using a HDMI and USB-C cable. Initially, I wanted to buy a Samsung smart monitor for its versatile connectivity, so everyone in the family could easily connect. However, I realized it's too advanced and we don't use a lot of its smart monitor features like the onboard media streaming, remote desktop, casting, and so on. All we really need is just an HDMI connection. Now, onto the specs of this monitor. Given it's an entry-level budget monitor, the specs are pretty standard. It's a VA panel, not an IPS panel, and it has features like the reduced blue light eye comfort mode, 16.7 million colors, and so on. The only 2 slightly impressive specs is that it has AMD FreeSync and can do 75 Hz of casual gaming. So it's pretty good for an entry-level budget monitor. Now, onto the unboxing. Like the monitor itself, the packaging of this Dell SE2422H monitor is very basic, but adequate. It comes with warranty information, a diagrammatic user manual, a HDMI to HDMI cable, a power supply cable, the VESA mount case cover, and the monitor stand. Compared to the S-Series monitor stand, this SE2422H monitor stand is more plasticky, as in the studs that supports the monitor is fully made of plastic as compared to the metal studs on the S-Series monitor stand. So what we do is insert the pillar of the stand into the base until the plastic catch snaps in. And to remove, we lift the plastic catch and simply pull them apart. It's not that easy to dismantle, I must say, but it is possible after trying it for a few times. On the other hand, attaching and detaching the stand to the monitor is very easy. Just insert the metal plate slot into the back of the monitor until it clicks in. And to remove, just insert a small pin into the pin hole to depress the latch and pull down the stand. I'll also show you a trick to remove the VESA mount back cover too. To put it on, just snap it in with the arrow pointing up. And to remove, we don't need to pry. Just press the bottom of the cover like so. It's a pretty good design, to be honest. I bought this Dell SE2422H when it's on a 20% discount, and I used a $35 voucher from Dell. Dell Australia rewarded me with this $35 voucher because I keep buying monitors from them. I'm very happy about this. The other good thing I like about Dell is that their monitors comes with a 1-year, 1-to-1 exchange warranty. So anything goes wrong, they'll just replace the monitor with a brand new one. Just to be clear, this is Dell Australia I'm talking about. I'm not sure about Dell in other countries. If you are also considering the S-Series monitor, watch my Dell Full HD monitor on the left, or watch my Dell QHD USB-C monitor on the right. Don't forget to subscribe and use other ways in the description to help me grow this channel. Thanks, I'll see you in the next one.